Alright, thank you so much. Okay, three very important things. Number one, going to the toilet, no toilet breaks. Just 15 minutes, short and sharp, straight to the point. Okay, number two, a lot of points to cover, but I'm just going to emphasize on one main point. I don't have much time, so just one main point I'll today. And number three, if you leave this room, just remember those three things. You'll be fine. Okay, I'll tell you what it means in time. Alright, settle it. Yeah, you're not here. There's two seats over here. Thank you so much. Those who come later will have to sit there, another round. Okay? So I think you all are doing good. There's two seats here. So they just move in. For those who can you hear me at the back? It's fine. At the back. At the back. Alright. At the back. Okay. Once upon a time when there was no time, those who came for the facilitation know this story already. There were three little pigs and one big bad wolf. What happens was that the mothers would have to go out, find the real world, and it was a happy ending at the end. Nobody gets eaten up. The wolf discovered it was actually a pig. And they all made peace, and the world was living happily ever after. However, in the real world, such is not the case. And we have people who love bad news, and love to spread bad news, and live and make a living out of bad news. Okay? So whoever is here today is here for a noble purpose, and I just want to emphasize that while doing good, you will receive a lot of challenges also. Okay? So just one key message from me is how to handle challenges just before you set out to it. Okay? Key things, point form, and I won't be doing much talking. For every point that is a challenge, I will just go up to someone and will act it out immediately. Okay? How to overcome it in a very practical and straightforward manner. Will that be good? Alright? Where did the slide go? Anyone here is a location IC? Just want to have show of hands. Nobody? Very good. Okay. So it makes my job easier. I'm to align the topic. Three little pigs represents the three key messages that you're supposed to give out today. What are the three key messages? It's actually 3 plus 1. First one is?
Interfaith. Oh yes, interfaith.
Yes, your hands if you're not. Yes, thank you. At the back. What's that?
50 years of interfaith.
50 years of interfaith. Okay? Just remember, the minute you want to meet someone, get your hands ready. Okay? So this serves as a signal for you. 50 years of interfaith. Second one?
Kampung spirit.
Yes. How do you use kampung spirit? Then you're gonna slap them across the face, but they're not gonna do that. It's just to visually image that it's a whole kampung. Alright? And what's the third message?
The card.
The card. The little card that you're gonna give away. There's a message on it. So emphasize that there is a message on it. It's not an empty card that they're supposed to make paper aeroplanes and throw. Okay? There is a card with a message. Alright, got it? Thank you so much. What's the first message? What's the first thing you should tell them? The three key messages? Thank you so much. Second one.
Kampung spirit.
Third one. Over there. Yes. Cut with a message. Okay. Take over there, please. Thank you so much. Yeah. I'll address you in one. Alright, thank you so much. What are the three key messages in total? One after another. Yes, message on the card. Good. Because last part, that's what I want to emphasize. Three key messages in reverse. Okay, got it? Simple, straightforward. The three messages in random order. No, random order.
Kampung spirit. We need the kampung spirit. Yes, message.
Okay, guy at the back. Three key messages with actions.
Years.
Yep.
Years of interfaith.
Thank you.
Kampung spirit.
Thank you. And
And the message in the card.
Beautiful. Shoot the card or cut with the message? Both will do as long as the word comes out together. Thank you so much. Lady at the back, key messages in reverse order with actions.
Give the card kampung spirit.
Not give the card. It's a what?
Give the message card.
Okay, I can take that. As long as the two keywords are there, message card.
Relive the kampung spirit and 50 years of history.
50 years is this one or both? Oh, 50. Beautiful, thank you. Alright, now with actions. Okay, I'm gonna come up to someone right now. And we already introduced this other. You have my permission to talk to you for 3 minutes. Tell me about the 3 things. Morning done already. I want to hear the message now.
Okay, my name is Bella.
Done, heard that.
Okay. I'm gonna give you a card.
Okay.
A flower.
Alright.
Which contains the message of
Yeah.
peace.
Yes.
And you want to introduce the kampung spirit of 50 years of
Something like that, alright? Okay, key messages are there. Remember? 3 things must be there at all times. Okay? The main thing that we are here. Alright? Always get that up first. Brother, met already. Happy to meet you. I'm gonna give you 2 minutes of my time. Tell me what you're gonna say.
Okay, so this is a flower card that introduces peace to the public.
Okay.
And then we're going to promote the kampung spirit
Alright?
through our gift of super.
Alright?
Yeah, so have a nice day.
Okay. Okay? Got it? Simple? Straightforward? 3 things must come up first. Second, I got 10 more minutes. I'm gonna talk to you about the rules. Alright? So just say hi to me. I just want the rules, not the card. Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna tackle that. Say hi. I just want the card, not the rules. Yeah. Okay. Say hi to me. Alright. I love talking to you. I want to spend the next 1 hour talking about politics and the opposition party in Singapore.
Okay, actually I'm not supposed to say this, but actually this is a rules for you to promote peace and love feeling. So as a Singaporean, we need to embrace love and all. So this is a rule for you.
My God, give him a round of applause, please. I'll dance with you all next round, okay? Because I started with them already. Say hi to me.
Hi.
Can I have your number instead? Very good. Alright. I'll emphasize what the key words to start off with. Because to respond to somebody, everybody must respond with the same keywords. Okay? Because if a bad move comes to you, you can't say much. There's only one thing on their mind. I'm not telling you that people out there are bad. It's only that we are members of the public, they are members of the public. Just approach today with a bit more caution. Okay? Not too over friendly, not too overbearing. Alright? Remember there should be a distance. Okay, I got 9 more minutes. I'm gonna cover all the issues too. Sorry, brother. Sorry, I'm gonna cover you in the next round.
Oh.
Let's have a seat over here. Thank you. Okay, so before I cover the how to handle the big bad wolf, I just want you to know what's right at the end. Happy ending. Whatever the engagement, good, bad, ask for phone number or not, it must be a happy ending. Okay, there's only 2 ways to end it happy. There's only 2 ways, no other way. Okay, end it with a happy feeling or with a happy content. That's all. Okay, so end of to say, I'm happy for you. You look happy. Something that communicates feelings. Second one, communicates content. I'm glad we talk about peace. I'm glad we could talk about peace. I'm glad to talk about something. There's a third one which you can do, but it's a bit difficult to do. You combine feelings and content. I'm happy that we were able to talk about peace. Alright? Happy ending easy? I have to cover 3 little things and happy ending first, so that the middle is what I want to focus on. Okay, have a seat over here. Cover with you next. Alright, let's start it off. Feeling. Okay, pass the message, give her the flower, everything was good, and end off. Just feelings. Say out the feeling. Imagine there is a feeling. Okay, that doesn't sound right, but there was. You can identify a feeling. Alright, yes.
Okay, so this is also have a
Feeling, what's the feeling?
expression you mean?
Yes. Okay, either she say it out, but I want you to be more explicit. Just say out the feeling. If a person is happy, say he's happy. If a person looks contented, a bit enjoy the session, just say, okay, try 150 shirts one.
Okay, so this is the rules for you. I hope you enjoy your day and smile always.
Who got dictionary? It's fire, man. One feeling. Okay, say happy, say happy. There must be a happy in your closing. Just the closing.
Happy always.
Happy always, yeah? Alright, and for closing. And with your content. Yeah. Pass the rose, pass the message, and with your content. Done. Yeah. And with your content. Okay, yep. Hope we can continue spreading the kampung spirit. That's content. Brother, content and feeling together. Add these two up.
I'm happy to be able to pass this message to you. I hope that you will be able to spread this message to you. What's the message?
What was the content? Oh, you can't? Okay, alright. Can you be a bit more explicit? Just say out one example of a message. This one plus this one. Happy and kampung spirit. Put it together.
I'm happy to be able to pass this message on neighborliness to you.
Done. Okay? You got it? And on a happy note, good ending, but the only way to end it is one feeling and one content or both. You got it? Okay? Even if you miss it out, it's okay. I'm just telling you that it is an easy way to disengage. Because if not, they will like to talk to you for the next or forever, yes. Because it started off a story that has no ending. Okay, so got it? 3 little bits, happy ending and back. Now center one. Difficult situations, ask for a number, getting too personal. Want the rose, not the card. Want the card, not the rose. Okay? Don't want to talk to you is easy because you just move on to the next person. Right? Some people get on religious debate. Try to ask you about what ISIS is doing out there. Try to ask you about weird names that you never heard of but they sound intelligent and you don't want to be sounding unintelligent by saying I don't know. Right? Alright? Okay, just one way. There's a lot of ways to handle all this, but I'm just gonna teach you one way. Always works. Okay, always works. And please stick to it because we have a job to do. Spread the 3 little message pigs. Okay, something like that. You know what I mean, right? Okay, 3 little big message and with a happy ending. So what's the way to handle rejection? Imagine I'm the one receiving all the rejection. What do you think I'll be feeling? Feeling? Sad, defensive, angry, to some extent, sometimes happy because you want to laugh looking at people, you know. And sometimes people when they're angry at you, they look very funny. So and it's very bad if you start smiling or laughing. Alright? Correct? Okay? So what's the easiest way to disengage? Imagine I'm approaching someone whom I don't know. How close should I be to that person?
3 feet away.
How close? 3 feet away. Okay. Brother, stand over here please. Okay, quickly, we don't have much time. Okay, 3 feet, he said 3 feet. Okay, walk. Oh, walk towards me and stop exactly at 3 feet. Start. No, not 3 feet from here. 3 feet among between us. Yeah, how do you know 3 feet? Okay, there's a magic rule. Okay, I'm gonna walk to you. If I'm too close, say stop. One more time. Okay, one more time. So that I can hear. Okay, is this comfortable?
Yes.
What's the distance? 1 length. Okay, this is the distance people generally are comfortable to be engaged in conversations. Any nearer? Any nearer? Very? What do you feel? How about? Okay. So 3 feet engagement distance. What's the easiest way to disengage? What's the easiest way to disengage? Take 1 step back. Okay? The minute there's a distance, people do not want to engage you so much. They lose interest. Okay? So the minute difficult situation, 1 step back. Naturally, that person will get a subtle message and instinctively you move on to the next thing. Okay? It doesn't have to be spoken. Okay? Very powerful. 70% is about body language and communication. Okay? I'm going to give you a difficult situation, just take 1 step back. Okay? I don't like your beard. From someone who has a longer beard. Okay? Very funny lah. Of course you want to laugh. Hey, dude, what are you talking about? Look at the beard. Alright? Okay? Okay, one more time. First step, always take 1 step back. Alright? We're gonna do this again. I don't like your beard. step back, it's very easy. You just move your body sideways, this way, automatically you disengage. Okay? Without saying anything. Number one, it saves time. Then second one, it saves your saliva. Okay? Because to explain why you have to go very difficult. Worst come to worst, if you still want to talk to you, come on, step forward. What do you do? What do you do? Take another step back. Take one more step forward. What do you do? Run away. No, okay. I mean, that's what the station ICs are there. So just channel them to the station ICs. They will cover it. Okay. I know I haven't trained the station ICs in this, but they can come up with something. Okay. Remember, very simple. Step away. If cannot, station IC, your job is done. Okay. Move away. Even to the feeling that you think you're getting too personal, just step away. Relay back to the other person. Can we try it out? Okay. So you're going to give me a rose. Okay, I'm approaching. And go. Okay. Okay. What's good about him is that he starts with a happy ending. People call it begin with the end in mind. Okay, but that's not what we're here to do. Okay, 3 little pigs, come, one more time. 3 little pigs, you're here just now, right? Oh, sorry. How did you see that? Goodness, sit down there. You're gonna take the next round again. Okay, go. Okay, up there. Okay, just a simple one. 3 little pigs, and just step back when I get a bit bigger. Alright, alright.
My dish is a rose and
Oh, thank you, sir.
we're going to share our piece as well together with all of you.
Okay.
I hope that you can spread this piece and love with other people.
Okay, what's good about that? The keywords are there. What's the challenging part? The 3 little pigs not there. Okay, so first one.
50 years of
Okay, that was simpler, right? Okay, go on. Right, rose. And go. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love this rose. Can I have 3 more? Yes, alright. Okay. Although it looks a bit rude to be walking off, you have to do that, okay? Take one step back, another step, then move on. If they really chase after you, just, okay, you want 3 more, come. Then bring to the location IC. Would that be simple enough?
Yeah.
Okay? Simple, straightforward. Your job is your job. Please don't do anything more. Because you already have a lot to cover. Alright, I'm gonna get 3 more person up here, then that's it for today. Ready? Okay, can I have one gentleman? Yes, you. Come. Yeah, you trying to hide, right? Don't worry. Okay, my scenario will be trying to get your number, okay? Right? Just trying to get your number. Imagine I'm a lady. Imagine my beard is my hair. Alright, and go. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Wow. Alright. I can you have your number, please? No. You cannot answer what must you do? One step back first, then say whatever you need to say. It's okay and so on, so on. Go back. This one, the power of taking one step back. Okay, one more time. Okay? Alright, and go. Same thing. Thank you so much, you're so sweet. Wow. And? Okay, thank you. Can I have your number? Okay. Okay, immediately, the initiative is yours. Okay? Thank you so much, bro. What's your name? Ernest, round of applause for Ernest, please. Yes, I'm going to ask you a political question. Okay? Every Singaporean likes to talk about this. What's that? What does every Singaporean like to talk about now? What's that? No! Case. Thank you. Alright. We're gonna gossip about case, okay? Alright, after you give me the rules. Remember? First step, one step back, then try to disengage. Okay? And go.
It's an initiative to promote 50 years of entertainment.
Yes, one more time. Hello, people! guys are reading today? Okay? Was there a happy ending? No, but what's the message then? Okay, priority. What's that? Round of applause for Ashim Abid. Guys are what? Endangered species here. So few. Okay, brother, and sorry, yeah. Very convenient, and I'm running out of time, alright? Third one is the most sensitive. What's the most sensitive thing that can happen to you today? The most difficult. Most difficult, yeah, of course. Because we have to talk about peace. So the question is, religion, anything that exercise. Okay, so put you down, alright? Okay, I'm gonna ask you, brother, okay, imagine you belong to one particular faith. I'm gonna ask you about your faith. So kindly just disengage, right? And let's go.
Hi, my name is Eric. This is a rose for you.
Thank you so much.
This is your proper piece. Key of the interface. And believe our purpose really, I didn't leave up for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Alright. By the way, you look like you come from the Aborigines tribe of Chinchawi. I actually don't know what your practice religion that way. It looks very, you know, very funny, yeah?
Actually not supposed to comment anything about it. Thank you for your time.
Okay, how was it? Simple, straightforward. What's your name? Jerry. Sitting here. Go over there. Go. Sorry, I need to group up this batch later on. Okay, that's the end of today's training. Was it good?
Yes.
Something easy to take away. Handle rejection, difficult situation. Right? Focus on the main job, the 3 things. One step back if you face a rejection. And then, if possible, where possible, comment on a happy ending. Alright? I just want to know that everyone here, I just want to feel sure that everyone here can do a good job. I want someone to volunteer and do a complete round. Right to the happy ending. Someone. Okay? If not, whoever catch this will demonstrate for me. Okay, you back up. Yes. Okay. You're not a difficult person. Just see through the whole thing. Simple things. Just keep a distance, not too close, and do the happy ending. Alright. Okay, ready? Watch. I want someone to comment on how she did. Okay? Let's start. Alright. Round of applause, please. Alright, thank you, Rashida. Alright, questions before we end. Questions? No questions, I will ask you 3 questions. Okay? Alright. Without saying anything, show me the 3 hand signs for the 3 key messages today. Reverse order? Random order? Okay, alright. Not bad. I'm happy. Practicing already. Okay. But by the way, do you all know who organized today's program? Yeah, but the person, the main person. She sometimes goes to the front and say stuff. Okay. That's what we need to know. Her name is Anissa. She's a very busy woman, so if you got time, just go and give a high five and thank her because I think she needs it. There's just a bit more to boost her for today. Alright? If no questions, that's it for today. I need you all to leave this room so that these 2 can come up to the center, okay? So you guys stay here first. Stay here first. Then leave. Give the next one. Next one.
Harus tahu semua lah.
Okay, can I have everyone here to come to the center? Everyone here to come to the center. to waste people's time. I just started first. Okay, later I just run the second half. There might be a third round also. So I just want to make sure people get a good 15 minutes and oh, we got kids spending the day. It's good, amazing. Alright, those are yours?
I don't have mine.
Amazing, alright. How many have 4 or 3?
I have three.
3, okay. The eldest is the what?
Then nothing is the eldest.
So how old is he?
4.
4 and 3.
She's 2.
4, 2 and 1 month old.
6.
6 months. Okay.
I'm actually quite old.
Kandar. I just tried to flatter you by asking whether they
Right.
Okay, I got 4 kids on my own, so yes, things mutual. It's not easy to look young when you have 3 or 4. Okay, people, thanks for coming. I really appreciate. Sorry, I had to put you by the side because I already started the group at the center. So I wanted to make it. I didn't want to waste time and start on time and cover the 20 minutes that I need to cover. All right. Okay. Just before we start, a few things. Number 1, any donation I see here? No. Okay, good. Makes it easier for me. Number 2, anyone who this is the first time they didn't attend the last session. So quite a few. Okay, no problem. Nothing else because we're gonna cover the main points also. Okay, and the third one, anyone don't know where you're gonna go? Means that lost. I don't know where I'm gonna head after this. Everybody knows your place. Okay, good. Alright. There's a lot of things to cover, but today is just a recap of the main points. And out of the many main points, I'm gonna show you how to handle difficult situations. Okay, you already saw what I did just now. Okay, but I just want to be sure by doing a bit of role play and letting you all see or feel what it's like. Okay, that way we can move on and have a good day. Alright. Try not to go for any toilet breaks during this session. It's for only 15 to 20 minutes. It's gonna be short, sharp, and just straight to the point. Okay? Alright. You came very early. Can you tell me the story of the 3 little pigs? You don't know? Alright. Once upon a time when there was no time, just like today, we'll be having too many things to do and very little time to do it. Okay? There were 3 little pigs and a bit that moved. The mom asked them to go out to the real world and find out what it's like. It didn't end off badly. No one died. No one got eaten up. The wolf found out that he was actually a pig, reared as a wolf, and they all had a very happy ending, getting roles at Pixar Studios as animation experts. Okay, so that was all good and fine. Only then, how do we relate it back today? When it comes to today, I just have to get you to remember these 3 things without telling people these 3 things. So don't go up to a member of public and say, I have a story to tell you. 3 little pigs and 1 big bad wolf. So just remember 3 things. Number 1, the 3 little pigs represent the 3 key messages. What are the 3 key messages for today? Number 1, I have a hand sign for them. 50 years of interfaith and not independence. Yes, it is still independence. Yes, but for today is not independence. Okay? Alright, thank you so much for that, brother. Number 2, imagine you're giving them a tight slap across the face. This is just to remember that we are all one big family and hence one kampung. Okay? So 50 years, kampung spirit. Okay? And the last one, present them a card. I just want you to emphasize that there is a message on the card and it's just not a normal card. Okay? Because the last thing we want them to do just take, chuck aside, make people aeroplanes or use it to wipe their nose. Okay? Because of the haze. Right? Now, they just emphasize there's a message and if possible pass it on. Okay, actually there's 4 things. The 4th one is pass it on, but it's a bit too mouthful to remember 4. If you can remember after the 3 to say pass it on, good. If not, just end with if there is a message on the card. It's very important. Okay, so that's the first thing about the 3 little pigs. Everybody got it? Okay, I'm gonna test you all out. What are the 3 things? Okay, message and okay, actually message on the card. Okay, on the card, pass it on. Okay, beautiful. In reverse. Okay, with hand sign. Hand sign in reverse. Without words. Okay, got it? Simple, straightforward. Okay. Second one is big bad wolf. There will be instances where you face very difficult situation, and there's a lot of ways to disengage. But I'm gonna teach you just one method which you already saw. I think it's more important here to practice it out. But before I go to the main one, I just want to cover the happy ending at the end. There's only two ways to end happily. One is through feelings, the other one is through content. Alright? So a simple one will be after you given the card, they received it, they're about to go off, just say out the feeling. I'm happy that you got the card today. Okay? Just one feeling. Just reiterate the feeling. Happy is always universal. Second one, I can go to a person and talk about content. Okay? Thank you. We were talking about peace today. Or we're talking about love today. That's it. But the third one, if you can do, add content and feelings. Okay? I'm happy that we were able to talk about peace today. That's it. Okay? That will be your signal to move on to the next person. Because what we don't want is to have a very uncomfortable situation where no one knows what to do next. So they look at you, you look at them, and he's waiting, you're waiting, and you're actually waiting for the next person, but he's waiting for you to say something. Okay? So end it off. Alright, so we'll start from there. Tell me an ending with just feelings. You can talk about your feeling or this person's feeling. So you can say I'm happy, or you can say you look happy. You go. Thank you, done. Okay, one content. Just content only. No feelings. We were able to talk about? We'll talk about peace today. Combine the two. Okay, I'm happy we are able to talk about peace and love today. Simple, straightforward, that will be your cue to move to the next one. Feeling only. Yeah, yeah. I'm happy today. Well, some people appreciate you, sing out the feelings. Content. Nice. Yeah. Content and feeling, or feeling and content. Alright? Feeling. Just one feeling. Yeah, done. Content.
We were able to talk about
And? No, that's content.
oh, with the
I'm happy. You say start again.
I'm happy to be able to talk about
Nice, done. Combine. Not happy, not peace, something else. I'm so confused that we are so happy. Okay, just joking, but you get the message? Any feeling? Okay, just happy, one content. Right? Done? Got it? Okay, that's secure about the three messages. Secure about the happy ending. Now difficult situation. Difficult situation number one, people get too personal. Can I have your number? Sorry. Okay? Always difficult. Because sometimes to say sorry takes a lot of courage also. Sometimes people go blank. Alright? Difficult situation number two. I just love the conversation that we had. Can we sit down and chat some more? Maybe not today. Tomorrow? Next week? Next month? Can I have your number instead also? Okay. Trying to extend your period because you have a job to do. You cannot spend too much time on one person. Okay, if not, no one will be able to cover all the roses, and the last thing we want is just to throw roses at the end. Okay, you won't feel good, other people won't feel good also. So that's why this thing can help you lightly. Alright, third one, sensitive topic, right? Singaporean favorite topic first. What's the PSI reading today? You don't know. Then how can you go around and wearing without wearing masks and eating out this stuff? Okay, uncomfortable situation, right? Are you alone?
yes.
Okay, come. You don't have to sit here. Alright. The worst thing that can happen today, what's the topic? The worst thing, ultimate worst. Regardless whether it's a roses day or non-roses day. What topic would that be? No, he's done already. Singapore. This is universal topic, no one likes to talk about. Very bad feeling, but sometimes, you know, you get drawn into it. What's that topic? Yeah, religion, war, dissent, anything bad news. Because the problem with bad news is that it's very good to talk about. Okay? I'm saying this because it's very easy. You get easily drawn into it. Okay, very easily. Sometimes you don't even realize it. And after a while, it's 10 minutes, 15 minutes gone already. Very fast. need to disengage very, very quickly. Okay? Got it, bro? Okay, you're gonna go up with me next, alright? Okay, but I'm gonna demonstrate to you how you're gonna disengage. Can I come over? Okay, what's your name? Jude. Jude, eh? Jude. Okay, round of applause for Jude, please. Okay, as per normal, the first thing is that how close should you stand to a person while talking? One arm length, okay? Come to me and stop exactly one arm length. Okay, whose arm is this? His arm or my arm? His arm. Okay, arm. No, not my arm. No, his arm. Hey, just straight, one arm length. Okay? Okay, just move one step back. Alright, I'm gonna walk to Jude, and Jude will say stop if I'm too close. Alright?
Stop.
Okay. Nice, too close, too far? Too close. Alright, one more time. Okay?
Stop.
Okay, comfortable? Okay? If you feel comfortable, the other person should feel comfortable also. Okay? So this is just engagement length. Okay, this is the time when if I speak normally he can hear, and if he speaks normally I can hear. And this is the time also if I pass him something, he can reach it comfortably, not too far. Okay, and not too close. Alright? Okay? Got it? So I want to analyze. The problem with this distance is that it's a very comfortable distance. So everybody will want to leave this situation, and when you get into a difficult topic, you just carry on. Time just passes. So what's the easy way to disengage from this conversation? Regardless whether it's a religious conversation, difficult conversation, case condition, what's the easiest way? One step back. Okay? One step back. What happens? First one, I can't grab him. Okay? And he can scoot off. And once you take one step back, where can he focus on? Yeah. The people who are walking here, immediately go to the next person. Or myself also, I feel okay, it's time for me to go. Alright? Okay, Jude, I'm gonna just comment something about do you have a beard? Okay. Okay, maybe your shirt Red Cross you. Okay. So I had a bad spin with Red Cross previously. Okay, so I'm just gonna ask about some management committee in Red Cross. So just take one step back. Say hi and say it was nice talking to you and just move on. Okay, imagine you already passed the rules to me, okay? Alright, so yeah, okay, conversation done. Hey Jude, by the way, see that you're from Red Cross. Is the same management committee last time?
I really wouldn't know because I'm not really a part of it. You should take it up with them if you really have any questions.
Okay, good answer. But he prepared for you already. Okay. Alright. But the first one, just take one step back. You can just take one step back, then read out whatever you need to say. Move on to the next person. Okay, one more time. Okay. Can you tell me about the SMU chapter Red Cross committee?
Oh, sorry, I'm not really a member of it. You should be taking up with them if you have any questions. I think I'm
Okay, alright. You see it? Once out of reach, you can move on to the next one. Round of applause for you, please. Okay, you all got it? Simple, straightforward. Okay. Now I'm just going to some people at the back. Just gonna go through the whole cycle. The first one is the normal cycle plus happy ending. Okay. Alright. Just stay where you are. Okay, you're gonna give me the rows. 3 little pigs. Okay, no big bad wolf. Happy ending. And go. Thank you so much.
There's a message on this card. Hope you read it and pass it on.
One more time. Yes, doing well. Just meet the center one and go.
Hi, this road is for you.
Thank you.
This is to celebrate the 50th of the Interfaith in Singapore. We also celebrate the Kampong Spirit, and there's a message on this card. Hope you read it and pass it on.
Thank you so much. I feel so happy.
We also feel happy that you get to know what love and peace is today.
Okay, how long did it take? Okay, just under a minute or just over a minute. Okay, comfortable. You can also pace yourself out. Of course, if you think that you want to say a bit more, please do so. Alright? Your turn? Okay, same thing, 3 little pigs. One very small wolf. Okay, one very small wolf. I'm just gonna ask for the number. Okay, just just stand up. Okay, imagine taking the one step back. Okay, and just disengage. Alright, but you must end with a happy note before you scoot off. Okay, as you take one step back, you can still end it off happy, okay? Doesn't mean you take one step back, you run 100 meters like the tempo. Okay, just say, I'm happy for you, and stuff like that. Alright, ready and go.
These are roles for you.
Thank you.
To celebrate the 50 years of interfaith in Singapore and to celebrate the kampong spirit amongst us. There's also a card attached to it, so we'll let you pass this message.
Oh, thank you so much, you're so sweet. And by the way, can I have your number also?
So sorry, I don't.
Oh, wait, yes, okay.
So sorry, I don't have a phone.
And?
Thank you for. I'm very happy to share love with you.
Okay, okay. Okay, it's okay. After you are one arm length, no one can hear anything much clearly. They just see your body language and it's fine. Okay, round of applause for these two days. Okay, next. 3 key messages, slightly harder, woof, and end off with a end off happily. Okay, can try. Okay, but you need not do everything. Just try your best, wherever you can. All right, ready? Okay. Okay, please stand up. Don't worry, everybody's like me and you, right? Okay, and go. Thank you so much. Gini lah. Okay, alright. What's the third one? Message. Okay, one more time. Okay, it's very important you get these 3 out. Okay, if not, we will be debating a bit for what we set up to do. And go. Thank you so much.
To celebrate the 50 years of Yes, message inside the picture.
Alright.
Hope you will.
Okay.
Thank you.
Happy, okay. Round of applause, please. Was it easy for her? No, because I'm very irritating. Okay? However, most people will not be like me. They will just help you all on and stuff like that. What happens if halfway you are stuck and don't know what to say? Because it will happen. Because sometimes tired, haze, cough. There will be times just blank out, right? Blank out. Suddenly, no reason. We call this speed of recovery. What's the easiest way to recover? There's a lot of ways to recover. But what's the easiest way? If you just blank out, you just have to say this magic word. What's that magic word? Thank you. Then you ask for what? You don't want to give me the rose. What's the magic word? No, not sorry. You didn't do anything wrong. Don't be overly apologetic. Okay? No need to apologize for something you didn't do wrong. What's the magic word? No, something close. Something to do with happy feeling. Okay, let me give you the word. It's very authentic. You don't have to think to or lie it out. What was the easiest thing to say? No, you're really lost. Don't know what to say. Suddenly, what should you say? No. You need to know where you were at so that you can close it off. Because you might have said 50 years of interfaith, but you haven't said the other 2. You might have given the rose already, and you just blank out. You might end up giving another rose. Okay? So what's the easiest way to recover? And in a very authentic way, no need to fake anything. You just ask the person. No, you need to know where you left off. What were you saying the last thing? Yeah, just say, what was I talking about? Yeah, I mean, people would really appreciate because they know you're real. You're not faking anything. You're not here to get their money or to sell some products. No, just say that. If they say, I don't know, your job is done. Move on, alright? If they know, just pick it up from there and go on, okay? For goodness sake, you don't know whether you have given the rose and not the card, right? So, it's just that. What was I talking about? 1%. Alright, ready? Can? Okay, good. I like this one. Okay, come. Rose, give me the rose later, alright? Try. Okay? Remember? 50 years.
So like here's the card for you. It's
Thank you
written,
so
there's
much.
a message written on it. You might want to keep it and pass it on to others.
Can we talk some more?
Sorry, I need to entertain other people.
You're the only ones here. Okay? Yeah, just be careful on that because if you come up with something, they might sense that you want to run away. So might as well just be straightforward and just run away. So one step back, just move on. Okay? And ready? Thank you so much. Can you give a round of applause? Okay, for her, I'm gonna ask her to do the whole thing. From the giving, to the triptychs, to the difficult situation, to the happy ending. Okay? Try your best, right? Okay? The difficult situation is very simple. I want to talk to you about, I sense that you're from a certain tribe in Africa. So I wanted to inquire more about that tribe. Okay? So you may or may not be from that tribe or may have some information, but that's not the point today. Just one step back, say bye-bye, okay? Alright, and start.
Hi sir, this is a rose for you.
Thank you so much.
It's to promote the 50 years of interfaith in
Alright.
Singapore and to actually share with the kampong spirit.
Nice.
And also there's a message on this card which I hope that you will pass it on.
Okay, alright. Oh, this card reminds me of a tribe in Africa that I used to visit, and you look like someone I saw over there. You know, but even if you're not, can you tell me about this tribe called Abong?
Oh, actually I'm not very sure and I think that you will find better answers elsewhere. I have to move on right now and I will
Okay, I'm happy. Round of applause for her. While she's running away, she can still say she's happy. That was amazing. Okay, and you saw how she tried to remember the triptychs by doing the Swiss watch. Not bad, man. Alright, thank you so much. That is all from me. Any questions before I let y'all go? Any questions? If not, all the best today. Have fun and pace yourself out. Thank you so much, people. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you, brother. Where you on? Thanks so much. Have a good day. Good. Thanks so much. You got the message? Keep a meeting? Okay, alright. Hey, you're fast learner. Thanks so much. Alright. Okay, thanks so much. You all got the messages? Okay, you all need around with me? Okay, thanks.
From Malaysia.
Oh, serious? How many of you?
From
Any particular organization or university?
Sabah International Media.
I mean, like Johor, KL.
Cooperation. Cooperation. Yeah,
So it's not the green thing.
No. Yes,
Hope you all have fun today and enjoy the. Where we all be attached to?
I don't like this. Macam salah. Dia jangkut longer than mine.
So, yeah. I'm trying to.
You know that they introduced themselves to you, right?
Thanks for your bringing them in, is it?
No, I'm bringing them up. But let them have time with you first.
Yeah. Do you have anything questions for me?
You are an trainer or?
No, just give the. Just prevent when the rejections speak.
But like for example, this is organized by MSU, Swedish Islamic Society. So how are you doing with students? Mereka masing-masing. So they invite you over to the student. So when you're not here, what do you do?
Who?
Like, are you like a trainer?
I think especially we are dropping out of school, how we discipline problems, the key message usually they get is they are at risk. So the message to them is anybody can read this message. Sometimes the children of the successful people can be actually very high. So we try to let them know sometimes the
You format then you pick up.
but I was very confused because some things I really
Yeah.
because after that happened to me, I picked up on Quran reading, Hafazan, and I think generally my whole family is has different. So it's very easy, and I was able to communicate with people.
Okay.
But on the side, I also do some technology. So in the company, we are like octopus.
Yeah. Is that an octopus there?
No, that's
Looks like octopus there
what's
in
the
the middle.
three little things? Oh yeah, it's a half form wolf.
How from?
Wolf. So today I just have three messages for them, three little things, one wolf and a happy ending.
Okay.
So three messages is the 50 years of today, kampung spirit and also message from God. So they must see that. Then the wolf is difficult situation.
Oh, okay.
How to handle difficult situation, very easy, just take one step back, disengage from the conversation. If they pursue you, just send them to the one in charge of the station. Then, but before you go off, end off with a happy ending. So happy ending can be with a feeling of content. Feeling that I'm happy we had this conversation, or you look happy today. Content would be it is great we were able to talk about peace. Then the other one is feeling plus content. I'm happy we were able to talk about peace. Yeah, so just end off happy and that's it. Because if they don't look at the part, sometimes the conversation can be very and they don't know how to do it.
Yeah.
Just recap on the
Okay.
Brandon is a contact? Jalul Hafiz? Okay, yeah, he's a very nice person.
This is Rosita, she's the woman ketua the head of the woman doing for the pembina tu. And I did the like kepimpinan.
Oh,
Yeah. So I was observing how you were doing the session.
I used to travel a bit to Malaysia.
Okay. And your name is? Tika. Oh.
If you wanna get me, just drop me an email, coaching club.
Which is not
Yeah. And anything I know I can help, even within this, how long are you gonna stay?
phone working.
If there's anything about, drop me a mail, I can just